Khubor kapatisi TV. Kabul, kamashine kabalas nakarpang kabakhamskem, khamstet, khamklan, batbaduna bam umpnia.
This love has no ceiling, I cannot deny. All we need is somebody to lean on.
Ubasnya balang dhar bolong noilam jong ke National People's Party ulong makam dan satya kanu gejing apher jingmot hapring jong u berubah Prestone tensong Bedeiru State President jong ke NPP lani beru National President ke NPP ukon rat ke sangma bolong ru umidirang pa kejela hakejing keram bikilat pthai Khubor ubasnya balang dhar ladawa ya ke Pynmih Khubor beki dewan Panmap nama beka de gejing tho ke Bakla.
This is our family affairs. I think better let it to me only. No need to explain. See, this is not the election time. Election is another 2 years away. A time will come and we will speak on that. No. I have seen some report and some of the news from which news media. I will tell them to apologize. Because you see, why they should write wrong with anything? Me and Sir Prestone, we are very, very united. We are one. The questions of dispute, which is next to impossible. Me and Sir Prestone and Colonel Soma, we are one. And yes, I have seen some news like which is there is Cold War. I'm thinking which is said to see all this. So kindly clarify it. No Cold War at all between anybody also. We are living as a one big and happy family. And this is not the time to talk about ticket. Yeah, 2.5 years ago election. And some of the other political parties who want to join NPP, I should tell you. 2 years there will be a lot of change. But as of now, we have got no plan not to be able to get to any city like this. This is not the time to talk election. Now is the time to talk about diplomats. Okay, when election time comes, that is a different question. So now everybody is happy. Yes, maybe there is seeing here and there, but everybody is happy.